Hello everyone, today we're in our R&D center and going to make a review on new ASIC models from Bitmain, ASIC S15 and ASIC T15. We will check their real hash rate, consumption, noise level and compare the profitability of these two models to ASIC S9 on immersion cooling. So let's take a closer look at the devices. They are very similar, although differ from the previous models, ASIC S9. New models have a double body. There is a dual fan, now located on the front side only, and a built-in power supply unit, which is attached to ASIC by these two tires. A distinguishing feature of these devices is that they have two operation modes, high performance and energy saving. The second one will be relevant for those who have high electricity rates. Characteristics stated by the manufacturer. T15 has 23 terahashes per second and consumption of 1540 watts in high performance mode. As for energy saving mode, it has 17.5, 21 terahashes per second and consumption of 1050 1260 watts. S15 has 28 terahashes per second and consumes 1600 watts in high performance mode. As for energy saving mode, it has 15.5 18 terahashes per second, consuming 775 900 watts. ASIC T15 costs $840 and ASIC S15 costs $1,249. Prices of January 2019. Now, let's plug in the devices and check their actual characteristics. We turn the T15 on. Now it is on its operating conditions, and we can check such parameters as consumption and noise level. So, the consumption of the device is 1795 watts. Its noise level is around 65 decibels. Manufacturer claims 75 decibels in high performance mode. As you see, the actual parameters meet the claimed ones. Let's see the web interface. Now you see the web interface of ASIC T15, which is operating in high performance mode. And here you can observe its hash rate, which is around 23.2 terahashes per second. Also, here are the boards and chips temperatures. In general, there is all the ordinary information. On the Miner Configuration tab, we can change the operation mode of the ASIC. Now we'll set a checkbox, switch the ASIC to the energy saving mode and see its parameters. Here we've got a working ASIC T15 in energy saving mode. Let's see the numbers. Consumption is over 1250 watts. Noise level is around 66 decibels. There is not much difference since the main source of noise is a power supplier. Let's see T15 Web Interface. This is the ASIC T15 Web Interface. The device has 21 terahashes per second. Frequencies are quite low. Here we can see temperatures of boards and chips, as usual. On the Miner Configuration tab, we make sure that the ASIC is operating in energy saving mode. Now we have ASIC S15 operating in energy saving mode, and let's check its characteristics, power and noise level. Energy consumption is 907 watts, noise level is about 62 decibels, which is a little bit lower than in case of ASIC T15. Let's see its web interface. So, the web interface of ASIC S15 in energy saving mode. Hash rate is about 17.8 terahashes per second. Frequencies data, boards and chips temperatures. Now we will switch the ASIC to the high performance mode on the mining configuration tab and check its characteristics. And here we got ASIC S15 operating in high performance mode. Let's check the parameters. Consumption is 1684 watts, noise level is about 63 decibels. There is no much difference either. ASIC S15 Web Interface operating in high performance mode. Hash rate is over 28 terahashes per second. Information about frequencies and temperatures is here as well. Now we have all the input data to calculate the profitability of our devices. To do this, we use the BiXBiT calculator on our website. Link to the calculator you will find in the description below. Click the Calculator tab, select the device type, ASIC. The default algorithm is SHA-256. In the hash rate line, we put the ASIC T15 values we got in energy saving mode, 21 terahashes per second. Power consumption 1250 watts. Electricity rate. We put 4 cents, it's an average rate. If your rate is different, you put yours respectively. A distinguishing feature of this calculator is that it calculates two values. The pink one is profit for devices operating on immersion cooling. The gray is for devices operating on air cooling. We use the gray one, as in our tests ASIC T15 was operating on air cooling. The profitability of this device is $2.05, as we can see. In the same way, using our calculator, we calculated the profitability of all other S15 and T15 mods, as well as for ASIC S9 overclocked on immersion cooling. Link to the video where we overclock ASIC S9 in immersion liquid you can find below in the description to this video. Using the obtained data, we have compiled a table and calculated the profitability of all our devices. Based on the data obtained, it can be concluded that on the current market situation and inflated cost of ASIC S15 and ASIC T15, ASIC S9, overclocked in immersion liquid, is more profitable. Well, that's all that we wanted to tell you today. If you have any questions, write them in the comments. Subscribe to our channel. Bye!